I got on well with Dunk. You know, we'd have drinks in town and we'd go out. It's like I had my own little personal bodyguard. He could handle himself. He'd be on the pads and you could see, you know, he knew what he was doing.
Would you have been at the club like the morning after, you know, when he had the burglars?
Yeah, I was there. I lived across the road from Dunk. He's heard a noise. There's 3 lads. One was over the other side of the wall, and these 2 were doing the run with the drinks. One was passing to the other, and he was passing it, and he was going to run. So he said that as he's come round the corner, he's hit one, and he's sparked out on the floor, and he's gone inside, and the other one's come at him with a bottle. He said he's just ducked, and he's given fucking left up, and he's on the floor. He's rang the police, and the 2 of them are out, and he's like got hold of them. The police have come, and he's told the police, listen, I've hit him once, and the cop has gone, right, so yeah, I've got your story, so how many times was it you said you hit him? And Dunk went, I told you, fucking hit him once. And Dunk thought the copper was trying to stitch him up. After that, the lad tried to fucking sue Duncan for it, and he got chucked in jail for it.
They haven't done the research there, have they?
No.
The lads.
No.